Python code challenge. Can you guess the output of this Python code? You will have 30 seconds to choose one answer from 4 options. Please submit your answer in the comments section. This defines a function greet that takes an optional argument name. If no name is given, it defaults to user. The function returns a greeting by combining hello with the given name. This calls the greet function with Ahmed and prints the result, which is hello, Ahmed. The correct answer is B. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.